Good morning to one and all present here. My name is Fareen Khan and I am going to deliver my speech on music. We all know about music. Music is nothing but a form of sound that has the power to encourage our emotions. Music Music itself is a language which overcomes all boundaries. Music can never be confined to a state, language, or nation. Anybody from any part of the world can listen to and enjoy music. No language is required to understand music. Music holds the power of miracle. It has the power to make someone cry, laugh, or feel love. Music is not just a treat to ears, but it also helps one to relax their body and mind. The very first song that human can hear is the lullaby of their mother, which helps the child to reduce their anxiety and feel safe. There are a lot of medicines to treat people who are physically hurt. These illnesses and their hurting must be considered as serious as physical hurt. In healing a person who is hurt emotionally or mentally, music plays a major role. By hearing music, one can easily relax both their body and mind. Music helps a person to deviate and distract from painful thoughts. Listening to a music for a prolonged period of time helps the nerves connect the brain and which automatically results in lessening stress. Music is considered as the language of spirit. Music plays a very vital role in everybody's life. Music encourages our emotions and helps to regulate our moods and bring good vibes. Music is considered as heart healthy. There are a lot of research that shows the power of music in regulating the blood flow and keeping the heart healthy. Students are recommended that they should listen to music for at least half an hour to concentrate better and reduce their stress. Music can easily connect with memories, so automatically, when we listen to good music, it helps to remember all good memories we have had in our life and relax our minds. Medically, when we are in a problematic situation or we are stressing out, the nerves going through brain are in much pain. When we listen to music, these nerves will relax and the pain will be lessened. Listening to music has a more lot of benefits physically, mentally, and even medically. In last, I will say that being skilled any component of music is a gift of God. Music as a hobby is the best alternative indeed. It is a very effective way to lessen the stress of anyone of any age. It is highly effective and supportive to relieve the person who is suffering physically and mentally. So we always live with music. Thank you.